my spooky gear on. Where we left you last time was we kind of prepped all of the Halloween stuff and we cleaned the house. We're just so can we explain why we're stressed?
My nerves are shot.
We just finished Daily Grind launch day. Insane. But over and above, we are grateful, but clearly buckle up for future launches because we're not messing around. Or you guys aren't messing around.
Yeah.
It was wild.
It was crazy. It's always unpredictable. It's always fun.
And there's
it's always a little bit stressful.
But there's a lot that goes on behind the scenes.
100%.
Like
yes.
moving stuff around and a lot of logistics. So grateful to you, grateful for the team because you guys are champions. Likewise. I just kind of like sit there and do stuff on social media. Like, I mean, I create the product, then I'm just like, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. And then I have to go live. That's it. So I know you guys have like the hard job. So we're going to go celebrate.
Literally.
We haven't eaten today.
Wait, what are we celebrating?
Celebration! So you guys are always like so fascinating. We go to like this little shop and celebration and like whenever we share it in prior videos, you guys always want to see. So we're just going to take you with us. It's so cute. And I always say this.
Underrated.
If we would have gone to celebration when we were house shopping, oof.
I don't know about that,
we love it here, but it would have been...
So I played golf in celebration too. And it's...
Tell me more about
I'm just telling you. It's cute overall. Like it's very underrated.
The little village
it's very adorable.
So there's like 3 little shops. We love the pub. So we're going to go have like a really late lunch. And
what time is it? Like 4?
Like 4.
Yeah.
And then we are going to go shopping. We'll see how tired we are. We might try and go to Home Depot for a 13.
My nerves are already sort of like...
You're going to be like, whatever you want.
No, the opposite. You're going to be like, let's get the heck out of here.
And then Lego later.
Like here?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I like that idea.
So let's go. We're going to take you with us. We're going to do like a full, super chill, flower face with food.
Yes.
Spooky day. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. pre-workout, I just grabbed the tiniest of tiny water bottles. I'm so thirsty. That lunch, dinner was good, but it was so much food. Like next level amounts of food. It's a great spot. I just was shocked by how much. You guys, our shoppings were not good enough, but still good. I am in love with the idea of a solid drippy wax candle, but I don't want to get a real wax candle because I want to light them. And this is a fake one that kind of flickers, but it's got like the drippy wax for my banquet bar area that I want to do with the spooky skeletons. So this was a great find. I will say they were overpriced. They're $24.99, but that's what you get when you go to little boutiques. Lunch was great. We went all the way to Home Depot to find Jack Skellington. I don't think it's gonna happen. And here's the worst part. I can't even be like, I'll get him when I get to Canada because I don't know what's gonna happen in Canada. And I don't think that my current neighbors in Canada, like, I mean, how am I gonna do that? Here, people accept it. They'd be like, oh yeah, it's Jack Skellington outside our house, all good. I don't think it's gonna work out super well if I try doing that in Canada. Now, if we live in the middle of nowhere eventually, then maybe. The sunset right now is beautiful. Honestly, I kind of want to go in the pool. There were some parcels delivered when we pulled in, and it's basic, but it's exciting. The weather has been insane, like so nice. This is nice. It is insanely hot out for it being like 7 p.m. I kind of really want to go in the pool. I'm being serious. The amount of requests that I've received to do like a live stream or like an ambience of the pool is hilarious. I mean, I don't blame you. I think it's gorgeous. These parcels, and then here's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna try and prioritize and organize this, and we are gonna have ourselves a Disney day tomorrow and go shopping in the parks for all of the skeleton stuff that I want to get. But this was a necessary purchase. Is that another delivery truck? It's so quiet in this neighborhood that when you hear a truck, you're like, it's a delivery truck or a garbage truck. So these are for outside. I ordered, in a previous video that I had shared, I ordered a few of these as like a tester and they were way better. So I'm trying to do like a gas lantern type of look. And these lights are hands down the best ones. The other ones look very like Haunted Mansion spooky. Not good. I'll show them to you. They're really, really good. So you need to get the candelabra. Just make sure you pay attention to the base because that's where I went wrong. I ordered them off of Instacart and they kept bringing the wrong ones. So they are more warm white than orange. Like I said, the ones I kept getting were like orange. We have 2 extras and they are LED, so they're gonna last. This is what we had before. They're like little craft bulbs. They're very cool for Halloween, but they're like bright, they're orange. And then this one is better. Is it still too orange? Oh, it's very orange.
It looks, if you just compare it to the flame,
I know.
that's kind of your gauge, right?
I mean, but I don't think we're getting better than this. Do you guys think this is too much? I mean, we're gonna leave it for fall.
Welcome to the Haunted Mansion.
Welcome.
What's up, you guys? It is the next day. I'm pretty sure that I ended this on like kind of a like sadness. Didn't get the stuff. I'm gonna put on some spooky music, some spooky area music to set the tone. We went to Celebration. I only got like 2 candles. We had a great lunch. We had a great walk and everything. And then I thought, why don't we go to, by the way, this is like the best. I'm just gonna turn it down a little bit. It's like coffee shop ambience with skeletons. So good. So good. I listened to that all day long. So we went to Home Depot after Celebration. That was just like, I was like, do you want to stop by Home Depot? We get there, there's literally nothing. There's the giant skeleton, but not for sale, which I didn't really want. I don't feel like it's good for here. It's a bit too meh. And then there's just like all these really spooky pumpkins, which were sick, but not for here, and just not what I'm looking for. So came home, I was a little bit disappointed, but it was okay. And then it came to me at midnight. We're both in bed, like Andre's asleep. And I was like, what if I check the website? And I was like, well, if it takes a week to ship, then I can't do it. Like, it's just not worth it because we're probably leaving soon. But what if they have, because in America, this exists. This doesn't exist in Canada as far as I know, but what if they could deliver it same night, same day? And they did, and it's here. So I'm freaking out. So we're gonna go and get it, but first let me tell you what happened. Okay, actually no, first let's go get it, then I'll tell you. No, first I'm gonna tell you. So I'm in bed with my phone, ordering it, and it goes, which credit card do you wanna use? And I was like, this one. And it's in Andre's wallet on the other side of the bed, and it needed the verification code. So I'm literally like this, like trying not to wake him up. Also, because I don't need questions about what I'm getting. So I'm like going on the other side of the bed, and in my head, I'm doing the like Parks and Recreation, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious. And then he like turns and he goes like, it could have been in a movie. He was like, oh, are you okay? And I'm like, yep. Yep. And then he rolls back over. He's like half asleep. He's like, do you need anything? And I'm like, no. And like grabbing the card, and I tiptoe back to my side of the bed. I'm like, don't be suspicious. And then I texted him right after I placed the order so that he would see it the next day. I'm like, don't be suspicious. Don't worry about the charge that you see in the morning. And here it is. Let's go into the garage and bring this in. Andre brought it in for me today. It was delivered first thing this morning. And he was thrilled because he said it's a lot smaller than he thought it would be, because considering how gigantic this thing is. I'll be honest, I'm really nervous to open it because I hope it's as incredible as you guys told me it would be. I'll be honest also, you all bullied me into buying this. Also, just taking you through here, this is all recycling that we're throwing out. But we have ideas for, you know how we did our treehouse? The same people came to visit us and we were like, well, what if we did something in our garage? Because we also need storage solutions, because I just have a couple bins here. We would love for this all to be storage, and then to do like the racking on the top. Do you ever see that where you can like slide in a bin? I think that'd be cool to like house my decorations, because there's no basement here. And we have ideas, but I would love your input. The 3 ideas that we have would be Cars, obviously, because we love Cars Land in, not Disneyland, California Adventure, like a Star Wars paddock, or Tron. But if you have other ideas, please share. Okay, let's open it in here, and then we're gonna bring him in piece by piece. I'm gonna get scissors. I'm just trying to figure out, like, do we decorate with him outside? Or do we decorate with him in the porch? Or do we decorate with him inside the house? Or front porch, back porch, inside? I don't know. Do you have opinions? Because I'm all ears. Okay, let me go get scissors. This just got exciting. Oh my Lanta. 13-foot, giant-sized, animated Jack Skellington. It's coming to my attention that I don't think I even ever said what it is that I was unboxing. I bought a 13-foot Jack Skellington because that's normal. Because we think that this is a good idea. Oh, the instructions. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Oh my. His bow tie is the size of my whole body. Look at his bow tie. And it lights up. Oh my gosh, his hand! Bro, you're huge! This is amazing. His head is obviously in here. Okay, here, I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna bring this upstairs to Andre and be like, hello. Look at how, if you're a fan of Jack Skellington Nightmare Before Christmas, you must be nerding out right now. Okay, let's bring this to Andre. So let me know where you think I should put it, and we're gonna put it up. I also, Spirit Halloween has a 0, like it seems to be pretty big. It's so hard to gauge online. And I ordered that, and I was thinking about tying him, like hanging him next to, so he's like floating from like a fishing wire. Don't be suspicious. Does this give you an idea of how big he is?
Yeah, this is disheartening. This is scary. not because of the actual nature of this thing, but the size of it. Where the hell are you gonna put that thing?
Well, what do you think? Either front porch, screened-in porch, or inside staircase. Because he could go, you're laughing at me.
Inside staircase.
Right here, he could go right here.
So what's gonna happen if I'm taking a nap right here and I open my eyes?
Well, Jack's gonna be like,
Jack Skellington?
I, Jack, the Pumpkin King.
That's a disaster.
What do you think? Do you have a vote?
No, I don't have a vote. I'm indifferent.
Okay, it's gonna be great.
All right, have fun.
Thanks. What do we think, like right here? I'm kind of leaning towards right here or the screened-in porch. Because I'll be honest, last year the things you don't see on Instagram is always so like picturesque. That's why I love YouTube. You see the behind the scenes. It's more real. The arch that I did last year, although beautiful, 2 days later, huge storm, gust of wind, and it like snapped one of the rods and the whole thing almost fell over and I shed a couple of tears. I think I shared that last year. It's so pretty, but I am not motivated to do that again. And then which there is, another hurricane coming, like why? Why do I want to put myself through that? Also, funny story, we're not allowed to decorate too early in the neighborhood. There's many rules, which I want to start a petition. I'm just kidding, I'm not a petition type of gal. But I do think it's ridiculous that the parks are decorated and we can't. But I only get riled about like 2 things. 3. Look at behind me. My husband, my dog, my decorations. Don't mess with any of them, especially my elves. One day, I told Andre it's like my goal in life. I want to come out with a line of Halloween, but like cute but creepy elves, but like Halloween elves. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but one day. So we're gonna get to decorating. I'm pretty sure that's the next step. Thank you for being a part of the shopping. Hopefully you guys had a good laugh. We had many emotions. I will unbox Jack in the probably next video and set him up wherever you guys tell me to. It's gonna be amazing. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being a part of this. Have an amazing spooky day. Go have yourself a pumpkin spice something, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, dudes.